I have this Power BI dashboard for the employee dataset, and one thing is when you look at this Power BI dashboard, you see that the dashboard is compelling, consequential, and is clear. Dashboards are supposed to be compelling, appealing, and clear so that the stakeholders or audience can easily generate information out of the dashboard. A dashboard that is overloaded, irrelevant, and confusing might not generate information to the stakeholder or end user, but may only generate information to the designer. So if when you look at this dashboard, you see the colors are blue. I've used the consistent color, which is blue all through, and I've used basic visuals like the line chart, card, this is an overview, and the stacked bar chart. So this easily helps to identify information within my dashboard. It has a slicer that when I click on the slicer, it is interactive. I can easily identify information from the dashboard. I can see for human resource that there are 40 employees, there are 18 male employees, 45% out of the total, and female are 22, 55% of the total. Then I can see from here that salary of the highest paid person is 334,362. This is a forecast with the upper bound and lower bound. Then I can see salary by department and gender. You see that human resource, the gender, female is 1.42 and male is 1.45 million. So I want us to design this dashboard, and I have a map here that shows the distribution of salary within the US. So this employee data set, I want us to be able to extract it, clean the data, and generate this visual that is consequential, compelling, and clear. I want to extract the data from the employee data set. This data set here, it's an Excel file. So I'm going to extract this employee data set, which is an Excel file. So this is my canvas in Power BI. I'll come to get data. Since it's an Excel file, I'll come to Excel booklet. I click on this, then search for the location here, and I extract the employee dataset. Then I open. Then I wait for it to load. This process is called ETL, extract, transform, and load. So I choose my dataset, which is this one here. So from here, I'll have a preview. This is a preview. So I can decide to load the data and takes me to Power BI desktop for designing, but it's a good practice to transform the data, to structure the data, clean it for missing values, remove the duplicates, and structure the data well before you load the data into Power BI desktop for design. So I'll click on transform. So the moment I click transform, it brings me to Power Query Editor. This is Power Query Editor right here. Now Power Query Editor is a tool where we clean, transform data. So I have two data sets because I already have an existing data. I already have existing data set already. I'll name this employee. So from here, you can see we have null values. I can explore my data. I can come to view and click column profile to profile my data. You can see it counts for me this specific column, the name. The count is 1000. The errors are 0. Distinct is 927. Unique is 854. I can do the same for gender. It gives me a profile. Okay. I can also choose column distribution, and I see how the columns are distributed. Okay. It gives you unique and distinct. I can also click on column quantity to see the valid and invalid data points within that specific column. You can see this. We have invalid at 100%. For salary, we have valid, which is 96, and empty is 4%, which reflects the null values. So this is how I can explore my data for validity, and after I've explored my data, I can carry out data cleaning. One thing to note is Power Query is an M language, and every step that I carry out is stored here in applied steps. It it follows an applied step, that every time I clean, my step will be noted down here. So let me remove column quality. So I want you to imagine that this employee is in a department now, and I want to imagine that maybe we forgot to put the department. To clean this, I'll imagine this employee is in the training department. So to add that, I'll come click here, select the column, right click, and say replace values. So what is null? Power Query is a case sensitive tool, so I have to type the value that I'm supposed to find. It has to be exactly like how it is. The data point has to be the same. So now I'll replace it with training. So what is null? Training will be replaced. You can see it is replaced as training. And one thing to note is that every step is recorded here. Every applied step is recorded down here. So another thing to note is that the Power Query, basing on a language, it will show you here the formula. It will show you the formula of what is happening. So you see it is table replace, change the value is the null, it has been changed into training, has been replaced into training, and replace text is in department. So Power Query, basing on the M language, is a step-by-step language that will show you exactly the process that you're taking to clean the data. Another thing to note is that I can remove the applied step. I close it here. The moment I close it, you can see the null value is brought back. So I'll clean it again by right clicking, and I say replace value. I say what is null, replace with training. Then I say okay. We can do the same for apply for salary. To clean salary, what is null, we can replace with a value. What is null, we're going to replace it with that amount of salary to avoid null values. Now, I want us also to see how we can clean location. You see this location here? From our dashboard, we have US and NZ, which is New Zealand. So there are many ways we can do this. We can come to home and say split column and say by delimiter. Now, every time you're trying to clean your data, explore it and see the best way you can clean your data. Now here, I want to say by delimiter. What delimiter is there? I can say comma, I can say space. I can say, or you can say by number of characters, by position, by lowercase, or any other function that you want to use. So I'll say by delimiter. So when I say by delimiter, it shows me different options. I can choose comma, equal sign, semicolon, space, or tab. I'll choose comma. Then I'll say at the leftmost or at the rightmost, so that it looks at the rightmost, which is the rightmost here. Then I say okay. So you can see it has split column where there was US, where there was USWA. See, it has split location to location 1 to location 2. Where there was a comma, everywhere there was a comma, it was splitting it. But this is not the best way. I want to clean this column. So I'll close this step and also close this step to go back to the regional, and I want to add a column. I want to add a column by example. Since I've selected it here, I'll come and say column by example and choose selection. Right here, choose selection. So when I choose selection, it will come and tell me by what example. Add a column by example. So since I want column by example by this location, I'll click USA. Then when I click down, it fills down the range, like spill fill. So you see, what is USA? It has filled by USA. What is USA? There's USA. You can see here, but hasn't selected NZ. What is NZ? Doesn't select it. Okay. So I'll come and click here and also type NZ, and you see it filling down. Okay. It has filled it, but then again you can see here what is USA? It has not filled it. So I'll come and click here and add USA. Then I click, and you see now it has extracted USA by column by example. Then I can click OK. Once that is extracted as a custom column, I can right click and rename it into country. okay, into country. So that is initial basic data cleaning. I can also come here and extract date. I come to date, extract year, and I choose year. And it will extract for me the year only. You can see it has extracted year from the date here. I can close this. After I've done my data cleaning, I can come to home and I say close and apply. So close and apply. Once I've closed and applied, you see here, it is synchronizing. Once that's synchronized, I'll be able to see. I can ignore the errors. Come here and I see my data set, which is this one here. Okay. From here, since we want to design a dashboard like this, I'm going to first extract the banner. I'll come here and I said come to insert, image, then come to format, style, image, then come to browse, then images here, and this is my banner. Click on this and my image will be extracted. Okay, this is my image. I fit it to fit on the canvas. Okay, then I can also extract the other images. Extract this image here for employees. So I'll come to insert, image, come to style, image, and extract, browse, search for the image of employees, this one here, and add it here. Resize it to fit. Then drag and drop it to the position that I want. There we are. So I'll do the same for this image. I can copy this image, copy, paste, and it will give me another image. But then I come to style, browse, this image, add it, resize it to fit. Then I can add this text. I come to insert, text, which is employee dataset, resize it to fit. I remove the background color so that my image is clear, resize it well to fit. Then I can also add another text, control copy, paste, to get another text, add text. Then I can add this description of the dashboard, drag it to fit, come to effects, and then remove the background color. You can see it displays. So I'll also add these shapes here. I'll come to insert, shape, resize the shape to fit. Okay, then split the shapes again, control copy and paste to get another shape. Split it into 3 parts, resize this to fit very well. So I can add text, the overview, text, overview, bold it, give it a color, a text color which is blue. Then create a measure for the total employees. I come here, right click and create measure. So I create a measure which is total employees, which is count rows. Then my data set, which is employees. Then I commit. Then I choose my card from the visuals. This is the card. Then I select the total employees and it will display the total employees. I resize it to fit and place it right there. Then change its color value to blue. So I use consistent colors to avoid overcrowding of the colors and to make the dashboard relevant and appealing to the audience. So I hold the label, change the color of the label to a standard color, which is blue. Then I import the image for total employees. Come to insert, image. This one here. Resize it to fit. And place it right there. So next is the male and female employees. To do that, to extract the total male employees, I'll come to right click, create a measure, and I say male employees equal to calculate from the total employees, then gender, extract the male employees, close the parentheses, then I commit. Then I use the card to display the total employees, male employees, which are 260. I resize my visual. I can use the format painter to get the colors and alignment. I can rename this from here, rename visual to male, resize it to fit, include the title male, bold it, change the color to a constant color blue. Then I come to the visual and remove the label. Then extract the image, come to insert, image, come to style, browse for the image. For the male employees, this is the image. I resize it and come and place it right there. So I'll extract the percentage of the male employees to the total. I'll right click, I'll right click the employee dataset and I say click on new measure and extract the percentage male employees. Then here is a DAX called divide. Then when I select the DAX divide, it will give me this function. We have a numerator and a denominator, numerator and a denominator. So my numerator is the employees, the male employees. This one right there, comma, then divide by the total employees. Then I include the alternate result. I include the alternate result. Now the alternate result is this one here. It shows you the formula, numerator, denominator, and the alternate result. Now the alternate result is just in case there are 0 employees. There are 0 employees divided by the total. The result should be 0. Okay? Then I commit. Then if I come and include another card and extract the male employees, you'll see it's giving me 0.25. But I come to the DAX and click on the percentage, this percentage, to get a percentage sign on my result. You can see they're changing. Then I can change the decimal places to 1 or 0. So I'll leave them to 1. I resize it to fit. And I'll come and place it right here to show percentage. I'll come to format and remove the callout label. Come to value and change the font size. Reduce the font size so that it displays clearly. Bold it and change the color to blue, which is consistent. So I'll do the same for the male employees. I'll come and create a DAX measure. Name it female underscore employees, which will equal to calculate total employees in the employees table, then the data set, which is employee gender equal to the female employees. Close my parentheses and commit. So I can just copy this card, copy and paste it, drag it down here, and I come and change here the value from male to female employees, and I'll get this display. I can change the canvas setting to increase on the size. Here I changed it to increase the canvas size. I come to this, then I select canvas settings, I come to custom, then I change the height to 800, then I drag my shape to fit on the canvas. So now I can calculate the percentage, change the title to female, not male. Then include the percentage female. Right click, new measure, percentage female employees, which is going to equal to divide the DAX function divide. My numerator are the female employees that I've calculated, this one here, then divide by the total employees, then the alternate value, which is 0, then commit. Here we have the value. So I can just copy this, copy, Control V, Control C, Control V, place it down here, then remove this male employee percentage of male employees and replace it with female employees. And you can see I have 0.47. I can click on this, then come and click on the format painter, this format painter, and come and click on the female employees, and I'll get the percentage result. Format painter, click this. Okay, I can just click on, I click on the female employees DAX, then click on the percentage sign, this percentage sign, to get percentage, which will be displayed here. Then come and click on this decimal place to reduce to 1 decimal place to make it uniform and consistent, which is 1. Then I can click on this image, Control Copy, Control V, then place it down here, but come to Style and change the image to the female. Remove this and browse for the female image, which is this one here. And there we have it. We have our overview. Okay, so next is this line graph. Remember, a line graph is used to predict trends over time. So I'll come and click, this is the line graph on the visuals, select salary and the start date. You can see how the line chart is displaying. Okay, but to avoid overcrowding, I'm going to remove the day, and you see now how it displays. I can also remove the quarter and resize it to fit within my canvas. Okay, then I can come click on the forecast. So we can come and turn on the trend line. Click here, turn on the trend line. This is the trend line, you can see it showing our trend of data. Then we can come and scroll down here and also forecast our data. Click here and turn on forecast. You see this is the forecast that in 2021 this is what we expect. Okay, so we have turned on the trend line. This is how our data is going to move, moving downward. Forecast, you can see that in Jan 2021, in February, we have a forecast of 644,134. Upper bound is 1 million and lower bound is 180,000. Okay, now this is salary by year and month. So we can also include a stacked bar chart by salary and department. So I'll come and click here, then choose this stacked bar chart, select salary, department, then distributed by gender. I can change to this stacked bar chart. Here is what we have now. Then I'll come to format. Then I'll come to format the visual. Then click on data labels. Then since they're in percentage, I'd want to change them into figures. I come and click here, data labels, scroll down to the values, turn on the values, come to detail, percentage total. I customize this. You can see it is showing me now the figures. Then I'll want them displayed in thousands or millions, then displayed in millions. So you can see the details have been displayed in millions. Then I can come and format this, clean it, remove the titles, these titles for the sum, salary and the department because they occupy space. Scroll down and turn off the titles. Do the same for the x-axis. For the y-axis, remove the title, then rename the title into salary by department, bold it, and there we are. So I can go ahead and create a map on a different page. Let me duplicate this and remove all these visuals. First remove all these visuals to prepare, leave space for the map. So I click on this map, field map. Then I select state, the country, salary, and then country. I upgrade the map and to display. Remember, I have two countries. I have US and New Zealand. So you can see it displays my map right there. US, the sum is, you can see the sum of the salary, and for New Zealand right there. So that's how I can create a Power BI dashboard, clean the data using Power Query, and design the dashboard using Power BI desktop. Thank you. Then after I save my tutorial.